Hi, this is Klaus from Quant-UX. In this tutorial I will show how Quant-UX makes it easy to spot outliers in your user tests. Let's start with this food delivery app. We have designed it and wired all the screens together to make a nice prototype. We have also defined tasks for our testers, so that we can measure the performance of each of the tasks. Once we have conducted some tests, we can go to the Dashboard tab. And there we can see the task performance for each of the tasks. By clicking on the action item, we go to the details. And there you can see now the new step duration and step interaction charts. These charts allow you to understand how much time and how much interactions the users take for each step in the task. For every user, there is a line in the chart. And this makes it very easy to spot outliers. For instance, this user that took more than 7 seconds for the third step. By clicking on the line, I can also open the screen recording. And there I can see where the user struggled and how I can improve my design. Thanks for watching. Quant-UX is open source and free to use. If you like the project and want to support us, do not forget to give us a star at GitHub.